Hello, my people. Good day, guys. This is Godsend and Precious TV. Today na your first day see our video. Please make you subscribe for us. Subscribe and like our video. If you say you want to share, my dear, you are free to share our video. For our old time, subscribe, we like una, we really appreciate una. Una what they our mind, they back of our mind because we love you guys show us. We show una times 20. Today, I want to talk about things. What did they happen? What in my eye don't see for this Europe? Because I they always think when we say this thing, why people say it be like that? So that make me say me I come out today, me I can talk am. I see use and give advice to people to especially we women we did this Europe. We come here, we know say yes, we came here to present our possession, yes, that not true. But we still forget one thing, say money not be everything. Okay, for example, now you build house, you build filling station, you get room, you get even a head shot, you build estates, you not get picky. Sure, if you die in your family, then I go take everything. Yet so now then I go take her. So the reason why they talk this one, most of our women for this Europe, you see 30, 35, 40, you not get serious boyfriend. You know why? Because the time when you come Europe, you don't use our boyfriend. Our husband don't do boyfriend through away. They say no, he never process our possession. He come here, process our possession. He came here, he come Europe, come carry money. He no come look for blah boy. He no come do this so. He no come do that so. He forgets everything for life now, vanity of vanity. If our people they make parable say, who born when he die, he not die, he travel. He say because one day. Person wey know I go see use that in pikin take introduce and say for example go say hey that one no be Grace daughter, go say yes so na Grace child or Grace child. You say wow she look big or he big oh may her mother or him mother so rest in peace. Your name don see John there because you know that. But if you don't get pikin, you die. Your family, your brother, your cousin, they call the fight for your property. Let me go carry the place. Let me go carry flight with the Ogba. Let me go carry flight with the Lagos. Let me go carry. You wait, don't do the thing. No. If you too stay for there, you stay just 1 month. Because me, I never see any base in Europe or where the base outside Nigeria. We go Nigeria, go say he go spend 6 months or he go spend a year. You know they. Me, I never see him. You hear me? That make me come out because especially we women we did this Europe say they call the fair and say I'm looking so go say make the fair boyfriend for social media, make the fair for Facebook, Instagram. Where be say boyfriend where come run meet you, all the name of say you need to come Europe, you never get estates. You don't use your husband, they do black boyfriend throw away. So may I go straight to this reason why I did here. I know it's still connect to it, but I want you to just go straight. Before I go straight, my sister, this our TV we get all kind of things, material things you need. We get clothes. We dey say hair, any kind of human hairs you need. If na Brazilian human hair, if na Indian, anyone you need, we get. May you not see things say we not there, you not there Italy or where you there far. Say we not fit deliver, my dear. We go deliver well. May you not fear. And if you see our hair what we dey say na real virgin hair. Now we dey say. If you need that, say you dey interested for our hair. May you inbox us. If you inbox us, we go deliver. Down at 100 by 100, we go deliver. So the reason why I come here, I get one best friend, my bestie. That my bestie. Now, it because of what he do. Now make me come say me I forget him because the time when I talk to him, he say that because me not get parents again. Now make me they talk like that. I wish I get parents. I for not think like that. I for not think of those one. I say if I don't get parents, but I get younger one for us. But the way they do so, you know good or you regret them more. Say na lie. This my friend He dey work 3 times a day. He dey do that thing 8 o'clock till 9 o'clock in the morning. He go do he dey wash house. He go start as 9:30. He go finish for 1 o'clock. He still go another where for go dey look for a day look after a day that time. I do. And this my girlfriend, he serious die. Now wetin we dey call serious student. She serious and she dey make money. She get money. She give her sister just a year. And she dey give her sister settle her sister. This my friend. He settle her sister finish. God come really bless us. We call Euro 2011. At that free time, they can't give us 1 year. After that, they can't increase that for us. So this girl can't get document. This girl can't pack money. They go ask. They give the papa money. No, they give the papa because she not get more than he gave. But she get younger one. She even get elder one, and she get get father. Because they give the papa money. No want me brother shopping money. Your brothers go shopping money. I could say no. Your brothers not go shopping money. He say no lie. Your brothers go shopping money. Now your papa he trust the papa. Papa go use mouth put am for speed. Go put use mouth put sugar for a thing. I would call am say Rose, you regret oh. You say no, Ellie, no, you no go regret oh. Now lie oh, you no go do this, you no go do that. I can say okay, oh, sit down look my dog name. Currently they look am, we did the same room that time, we dey stay together at the total. We gotta carry apartment together. That was 2012, 2014 before I come comot for the city which dey. But as I comot, we see the flow. So that 2014 before I comot, she come say she wan go Nigeria. I come say how I really dey miss Nigeria, but I no get anything I fit go because this girl dey short. The way her papa take stand for her, and so the papa still dey collect the money. They hear me, you understand what I do? This girl dey see money, no place where this girl go chook her head, where success no go come out for this girl. This girl currently go Nigeria. Between for her money where this girl pump go Nigeria for that because he settled her sister for 211 stroke 212. So because he go gather money 213 stroke 214. That money now he gather now the money where for my present because we dey stay the same bed, we sleep together, we dey the same room. The money where this girl carry go Nigeria for my present. Hey wow, this money he go build estate. They hear me? No, papa not build anything. Papa they from one hotel to another. They from one hotel, they carry the girl we carry today. His brothers come to tell us say, sister, papa see what papa they do. Oh. See what papa they do. He say na lie. Papa just cutting wood, cutting board. He close the one cutting board that big cutting wood. He turn and use a cover here this side. Use a cover the other side. Say now only waiting in the talk. Now the girl go there. And really, I waiting the man talk. Now the girl go there to even pay a younger one school fees. Those one go cry, go say me their papa go give her. Their papa no go give her. See as human be wicked rich. So this girl currently radio, he not tell papa. So he can't follow one boy that time. The boy can't try to avoid advice her. He say bang. If papa not fit do that, God was so faithful. God can't give her better boyfriend. So this banana. He come see the tell the girls okay, you know what you go do? I say money, bring my partner, we get land where I just see, I want buy for you. I got that okay, deal me we gotta buy us now 100 by 100, me we gotta buy. The girl come say, Elena, because of you. I come say no, your boyfriend not fit still shop, he may still shop me because not my boyfriend. I go shop my money. The girl come say the truth. The girl come really bring money come. The boy come, they build the house for her. Can you believe this girl reach Nigeria? He tell papa say, as he reach, papa say you just dey call, you no even tell me, say, papa, just me a surprise you now. I just say, I need surprise. Papa go say, because say, papa, come carry me go the house where you build. Tomorrow, papa go say next tomorrow. Next tomorrow, papa go say next week. The girl come spend a week. Papa no give her reply. Can you believe papa come send higher killer? May they kill this girl. You hear me? God was so faithful. Her last born, that time that last born was 16 or 17 years. Her last born come hear the conversation say the way papa they tell the guy, the killer, see where they for see pikin, they gonna come out, say make they drive they go, see where they for block them. And the last born suffer call his sister. Because meanwhile the sister come there. They don't really take her because the sister not come stay with her. The papa come stay the house where her boyfriend built for her. Because as her boyfriend built the house for her, so her boyfriend younger one, can't day one flat because the one when the her boyfriend and younger one now he help am build the house for Nigeria. So that one can't day the back flat. So you can't keep the front flat for the girl in case of anytime you come Nigeria. So the girl can't go there, can't stay there. So younger one can't rush call and say, you can't go for boot, can't go call and say, sister, daddy say, you can't tell her, say, see what the papa talk, oh, no follow papa, oh. You should not even come house again. As papa no know where you, they not come house again, oh. The girl can say, na lie. The younger one can say, if now you know, if you know say you want die, may you come because in here what the papa they talk for phone, now make can they tell you so. The lady correlate that her boyfriend with the brother. See what a brother just dey tell her just now because na meanwhile na two of them dey wan follow their papa go. The boy come tell the girl say na true to in this Nigeria everything is possible. Not just your father because say my father go fit hire a killer to kill me. As you call her boyfriend come meet me because we still dey the sensitive. Her boyfriend come meet me say Favor, see wetin dey happen because say me I fit tell this girl she no believe na. I fit tell am wetin dey happen for wetin dey show for social media dey show for video for YouTube person dey watch for drama so na reality. The girl say the girl papa go dey find the girl na so the girl e no even reach time of the ticket. So her boyfriend come from here buy extra tickets say e come give the girl come Europe and the girl come Europe finish she come call her papa. I don't know say wetin you wan call am for just forget everything. You see this girl no expect one day if not be say the brain wey her boyfriend and me use for am the girl for dey Nigeria if we just dey nothing all the work which he work 2013 14 all of them for papa use money people come dey tell am the younger one come dey tell am say sister dem no tell you papa from one girl to another hotel wey carry today be say to the extent their papa come get key for hotel. You hear me wetin dey lavish pikin money. So the reason why I talk am why I come out come talk this video because they say na wetin person see for life your experience of things your experience in life will use it to make sense. As in use it to get sense. Wetin you experience, wetin you see for life, you use and advise yourself. No expect make that thing happen to you first. Because I know say una Otika say we learn from our mistake. No, you learn from your girlfriend mistake or you learn from others' mistake. And others will still learn from your mistake. I know nobody is perfect. Everybody is going to make a mistake. Everybody used to make mistake. I know. But you need to learn from other mistakes. Make it come out. So go to Europe now 30 maybe they will come Europe the age of 26 20 that our time 26 24 20 they'll say no they never ready they want build that so they never pay the expense they want do that they don't want do that at the end they'll come they find boyfriend. They come dey look for mama this person abeg give my number to blah boy my girlfriend give my number to blah. They come dey find all those social media people wey go tag their number or their picture put am for Facebook wey dem dey find them. So come dey do video for take dey find blah boy wey be say dem don use their husband take do boyfriend through way. So that make me come out today. So if you dey pass through wetin I tell you so, you need to turn back. If you dey carry money dey go Nigeria, I don't say me you know dey carry money dey go Nigeria. Yes, dey carry money dey go Nigeria. If you dey carry money, dey carry your money. Open account, they open am. If you get Nigeria passport, you can open Western Union for this Italy, Nigeria, till Nigeria correct account. You can open it here. Open your account by yourself for here. Gather your money for here. If you want say you want put second key, say you know the person where you put as a second key. Any of your younger one where you know say you like, put a name or a name will be say at the end, because now let God know what you want to put tomorrow. Well, put that one name join your own. Forget about family. Yes, you go give them money a month. If na 50 euro or 100 euro, you want go give them. You go give them for feeding. Say me you go send me your family, give you money. As in me you say money they go and they be that without you not trust that person, my dear. So go where father send higher killer make dem kill pikin. How you can't use brother take turn to? How you can't reason and say brother go be? So my dear people, as you see this video, help me share so that people will learn from my story, so that people will see, pick some words I say in this video. As you do, God bless you. Like our video, comment, drop a positive comment. And if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe for us. Subscribe to our TV and share our video for our old timer. Because I said before, I thank you guys. May God in heaven bless you guys. See you my next video. Bye.